Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
Well, it's Monday, South Florida, first day of school for all the kids, and we're also tracking the first hurricane of the 2011 Atlantic hurricane season. That's right while you're sleeping. When the National Hurricane Center, as of 5 o'clock, stated that Irene has definitely strengthened. It also made landfall while you were sleeping around 1:30 this morning near Punta Santiago, Puerto Rico. Now, the latest from the National Hurricane Center stating that this morning the system is about 1,000 miles east-southeast of the Keys. So we do have time to watch the system. System intensifying, looking very impressive on the color satellite. Look at all those red shades you're seeing. Those are the cold closed cloud tops that you can see, and that's bringing some very heavy rain. But what you notice is a lot of it's just offshore Puerto Rico. That's because the center of circulation is offshore and it is continuing to push towards the west-northwest. As of the 5 o'clock advisory, wind sustained at 75 miles per hour, latitude 18.6 north, longitude 66.6 west, pressure 987 millibars. It's moving west-northwest at 14. And is located 40 miles west-northwest of San Juan, Puerto Rico. Now, the system is going to intensify once again as it gets very close to us here in South Florida. It looks as though the forecast model is keeping the system offshore. Now, remember, systems never travel in a straight line, and there is the possibility that this cone could shift more towards the east or to the west. We do have a couple days to watch it, but going into Friday, they are expecting this system to intensify to a Category 2 system, basically just hugging portions of South Florida by Friday morning, and then it will stay as a Category 2, possibly making landfall in the southeast by Saturday. But as I mentioned, we have plenty of time to watch this. There's a lot of things that have to occur in the next couple days for us to see this system stay as strong as it's going to be. A lot of it has to stay offshore. Otherwise, we could see some ingredients tearing the system apart, especially once it moves over Hispaniola. Otherwise, for now, though, there is a tropical storm watch in effect, for actually a warning in effect for the Virgin Islands, also for Dominican Republic, Haiti, Turks and Caicos, Southeast Bahamas. There's a hurricane watch in effect for central Bahamas and the northern portions of Haiti, and Puerto Rico is under a hurricane warning. Now you can see there's plenty of available moisture to help fuel the system in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere on the water vapor map as it continues to push towards the west. We are expecting to see the system stay offshore, and you can see our in-house models showing the system strengthening going into tomorrow, and then you can see as it continues to take that north turn, we will see the system become very large, and we will see the impacts probably Wednesday night and into Thursday. It looks as though the concern with Irene, anywhere between 5 to 10 to even 20 inches of rain is expected from Puerto Rico, Hispaniola, and towards the Bahamas and Turks and Caicos. There are a lot of things that are going with this system in its favor. It's over the very warm waters of the Atlantic that's fueling the system. There's not too much of a shear to the system, and it's continuing to push towards the west-northwest, mainly offshore. The things that could work against it, well, we're hoping it gets pretty close to the landmass of Hispaniola, and the mountains could help tear the system apart. It's just a waiting game. We'll have to see. Otherwise, the other area we're watching, Tropical Depression Harvey, wind sustained at 35 miles per hour. It is about 55 miles southeast of Veracruz, Mexico. Back home here, temperatures are in the lower 80s in Fort Lauderdale, and we're looking at Pembroke Pines, 84 in Pompano Beach, 82 in Miami, 83 in Miccosukee, 81 in Homestead, 82 in Key West, 84 in Marathon. We are seeing some scattered showers on the radar, some light rain falling throughout southern portions of Miami-Dade. Today we will see some AM coastal showers, and then some PM inland storms will be possible. So as the kids leave school, you might want to pack their ponchos this morning as they could deal with some afternoon storms. Threat of rip currents at the beaches. The bay will be at a light chop. For you in the lower Keys, no advisories. Near shore waters and a moderate chop. Highs today 94 inland, 92 for the coast. Lows in the upper 70s and lower 80s. Our eyes will be on Irene, especially by the end of the week. Have a great day.